Alright guys, we're going to be installing our Windows XP Service Pack 2 into our virtual machine environment. So the first thing we are going to do is create a new virtual machine. Next, we're going to browse. Pick this one. There we go. Next. Next. And then we can actually go ahead and select select the appropriate folder that you wanted to actually have for your XP Pro, and I put it all within the lab virtual machines for my hierarchy. Next, customize hardware. Set your virtual machine adapter to your, I have it set at VMnet 2, which is bridged to my Ethernet. Set memory to, let's say, 4 gigs of RAM. And then push finish. Alright, so it's finished the installation, and now it's going to be installing VMware tools. Alright, this bad boy looks like it's done. Alright, let's go ahead and set the IP address. And we're going to turn off the firewall. And one thing I like to do is go into System, adjust for best performance, which changes this to something a little bit more consistent. This is how I have it set up is and then we're going to push OK, and we're going to restart this machine, and then that Windows XP machine is going to be ready to go. Alright guys, so that is how to install Windows XP onto it's a virtual machine into your ethical hacking lab, and we'll see you in the next lecture.
Hey guys, alright, so we're going to be installing Server 2008 into our virtual machine environment. So we're going to create a new virtual machine. And same way we did the Windows 7 box. And there we go. Make sure it goes in the right place. And next. Customize hardware. VMnet 2. Oh yeah, and then we're going to add 4 gigs of RAM, 2 processors. Yep. And now we're going to let it go do its thing, and I'm going to fast forward through this boring crap so you don't have to wait for all of it. There's pretty much no prompts. It's just going to install, go through its rebooting process, install virtual machine tools, and finally end up at the management server console. Okay guys, you can see that the server is now installed and ready for you to use. Bingo bango. Alright, well I will I'll see you guys in the next section.